Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on the best electric grills for outdoor cooking. Watch till the end to find our best recommendations from the list. Our list begins with SIMOE Teppanyaki Grill. Are you searching for a large grill with robust power for quick, bulky heating? If so, you should grab yourself the SIMOE Teppanyaki Grill. The 36-inch electrical griddle grill comes with a 2,000 watts heater rating with 5 heating settings regulated by a knob thermostat. The various heating temperatures let you choose the right temperature to yield the best flavor for your vegetables, steaks, eggs, bacon, or seafood. The grill comes with 6 wooden spatulas and 2 non-stick egg rings for perfectly shaped fried or poached eggs. The grill has perfectly designed cool touch handles on its side and it's lightweight, hence easily movable. Its non-slip feet give it a stability and raise it from the supporting platform, preventing it from being burnt by the grill. Techwood Countertop BBQ Grill. Unlike the SIMOE Teppanyaki Grill, which is rectangular, the Techwood Countertop BBQ Grill comes with a circular double-layer design, offering more room for bulky grilling. The grill comes with a 1600 wattage, just enough to heat its relatively smaller grill surface of about 240 square inches. Its interlocking hood and bowl design allow rapid cycle heating, significantly cutting the grill time while ensuring the food is evenly grilled. It also comes with an adjustable temperature control system for regulating the grilling temperatures and a venting system to dissipate the heat and keep your steak tender and juicy. The Techwood product comes with a 30-day return policy. Cuisinart CEG-115 Electric Grill. Unlike the SIMOE Teppanyaki and the Techwood grills, which are exclusively countertops, the Cuisinart CEG-115 series comes with a removable stand, hence it can be used on a platform or its stand. The 240 square inch grill has an adjustable temperature control feature with 5 heating settings and a grease management design that drains grease into a collection vessel. Its assembly is fast, estimated to take a maximum of 10 minutes. Which is the best? The SIMOE Teppanyaki Grill is the best for outdoor cooking as it is more powerful and offers a larger grilling surface than its peers. Its egg rings let you fry or poach 2 eggs at a time, saving both energy and cooking time. Its lightweight and cool touch handles make it easily mobile, distinguishing it from its peers. Thanks for watching.